This is the elevator at 2124 Penn Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It is originally an old Marshall tiller line pull the rope elevator, but sadly it was in 2017 it was completely replaced by Hadfield with GAL jet plus RWB. Right now, these are kind of interesting, these GAL. I thought this was Eastern, maybe Hadfield first, but it's actually Hadfield according to records. Yeah, Hadfield elevator. Basement. Interior go down. I'll have a link right there to what the elevator used to look like. Jared filmed it back in, I think, late 2016. Smells like cleaning materials in here, but I think there's still no freight over here. Might still be a pull the rope. Not sure they're here at basement. Go to 5. I was gonna press the button. Here we go up. It's hydro now. There's like a table up here. I don't want to know that was loud. Yeah, down bell if the F1 doesn't. Ink and white for both up and down. I wasn't expecting to ride this Hadfield. Is this? No, just weird. It's a basic dark fake wood possibly grain cab. Yeah, it's completely replaced an old Marshall pull the rope elevator. Just sad. But I think there's still a freight here from what I saw. It's a mechanical bell, which is neat. For 2017 here, back at 1. Here goes the nuts gonna be it. It's got Tizzle Otis Star Brothers. Interesting.